Hey guys, thanks for watching. I just want to kind of walk you through the Lake Oconee event last weekend I had. It was the BFL, the Major League Fishing BFL tournament, and I'm fishing as a co-angler. And if you don't know, we compete against other co-anglers in the other boats. I don't compete against the boater. It's actually just a complete separate division. We both have to have a 5 fish limit. In this tournament, it was a 14-inch minimum. But basically how it works is Friday night, you watch a captain's meeting online, is through a Zoom call. And then you get a text after that meeting saying, this is gonna be your boater, contact him. Y'all figure out times to meet, where to meet, and basically how you're gonna be fishing. And so I get the call, great guy, a guy named CJ. He's a local, which is always good. And he knew the lake very well, and he sounded pumped on the phone. Let me tell you, he was ready to go.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight.
Oh, dude, they're already on boat 12. We'll be riding out in no time.
Water's clear, huh?
Yep.
Bait real quick. I'm gonna put on a different crankbait real quick.
Big rock fall out there.
Yeah, let me know.
The water.
There he is. Yep. Little one.
Good shot, baby.
He ain't gonna go 14, no way, huh? We get out there and we run straight to some great looking bank grass, and the grass bite just wasn't happening early in the morning. That's how it goes sometimes. You gotta adjust. So we fished grass for a good while, no luck, and then we had to start switching the docks. Got it? Oh, there you go.
Good shot, baby. Thank you, man.
There you go.
Right under that dot, dude.
I saw you skip it.
Right where they need to be. 14 inches for sure, ain't it?
I'd say. There you go.
Please God, get it started. Yes, sir.
There you go. What's that? Oh. That's my job. Right?
Fish right on?
Yeah. Oh, I don't want to fish where you're fishing. And I'll say this about dock fishing as a co-angler. No matter how courteous your boater is, it's not easy to do it. It's just not easy to get the right angle, to get a cast underneath the dock. Also, you're fishing behind a guy who has just hit the prime spots, and CJ was a very good caster. He could skip that Cinco anywhere he wanted under that dock, and for me to go behind him and do a better job or try to hit a different angle, it was really tough. So he was an awesome boater, great fisherman, but it was tough as a co-angler to fish docks behind someone as you watch them fish it right in front of you.
He's actually posted a YouTube video of everything. His name's Sonar Fishing.
Yeah.
And
I've heard of him, I think.
he
won this tournament?
last year, this time. Same as that.
This time of year, it's just, you never know, man.
And
There we go. That's a nice one. Keeper.
oh my God, dude. Still there.
Decent.
Oh, that'll go a long ways today, boy.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I hope he'll make it.
Yeah, he'll make it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Worm fell out. Yeah. All right, keeper number 1. I'm just gonna let him be. All right, that's a keeper. Stupid shaky head, you know? Out in the middle of nowhere. There he is. Big one. Yeah, buddy. He's a keeper.
Keeper?
Yeah. Right on the freaking corner, dude. Maybe he's a keeper. Dang. I felt bigger than that. I guess we went around the pole. Ah, thank you. Thank
Maybe.
you. I don't know. I don't.
I can say this. We ain't got around
Yeah.
that good. My buddy did say that. He straight up said, dude, you might catch a 2-pounder out of
Yeah.
6-12 inches.
Not gonna make. Man, he felt bigger when he went around that pole. Damn. Well, I mean, this is what you want for dock fishing. I mean, it's perfect.
I just don't want to make that big run up there and then get done fishing that and then I'll be big one, dude.
All right. All right. We're doing the right thing now. We just gotta. You saw the flash on? I didn't see it. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There we go. Nice, dude. Hey,
Thanks, bro.
good job, dude. You called it. She came back right back and got it, didn't she? Dude, I think that's the bug bass. That's the bug bass.
What you think?
Is it 2.5?
I ain't gonna cook him.
I just want to see my. There he was. He was bringing it to you?
Yep.
I was about to say, ready to see that line move. Damn. Damn. Got one? Keeper? Big one? Watch my line over here. Watch my line over here. Get up here. There you go. There you go.
Shoot, yeah, dude.
There you go. Came straight to it.
Dude, that is my first shaky head fish.
Get out of here.
Swear.
In your life?
In my life.
Well, good. You got it on film now. So now you can show people. Close, huh?
I didn't know it's gonna start being like this.
Jeez. Yeah. This time of year, you know how it goes.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't think it was gonna be this many bites. No. Please, come on. 14 and 8. I'm sure they'll be happy to measure it for me.
Damn, they're going in early?
Thought I had a damn fish for a second. There's one. Oh, it's not even a bass. Look at that. Damn pickerel or something.
Huh?
Pickerel.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. You never caught one of those? Here. Caught a bunch of these and damn, look at that. That sucks. Got it?
What do you think?
I don't know. You're close, man. Good to see you got a bite in here, though.
I know. It's good food. By the Michael Jordan it.
Good. See what you got. I'll hold it still. Oh.
There she goes.
I'll go get her some bags if you want.
Yeah.
But I got some bites. I got 5 to 8 bites. I only had 2 keepers. The weather was perfect. We had absolute perfect weather. It was high 50s, I think, in the morning, mid 70s in the afternoon. And you would think you could go to any pocket, any spot on the lake. The water was 60 to 64 degrees and get bit, but it wasn't quite ready yet. I feel the warm-up happened too fast. Like, you weren't seeing a lot of life up shallow, at least where we were. Ended up, I think, 99th or something like that out of 210 boats. But the good thing is I got quality points to make it to the regional, and then hopefully make it to the All-American at the end of the year, which we have a chance of winning about $50,000 at that. So really cool event. The co-angling stuff it's tough, but if you show up open-minded, ready to learn, excited to be on a new lake, I really had a good time. It was really cool. It was really cool. CJ was an awesome guy. He was on fire, man. He was super passionate. Even catching, like, you know, a 2.5 pound keeper, he was pumped up. So it was really cool to be in the boat with him and see how those guys, you know, break down lakes. So really cool experience. Next one is Lake Sinclair. It's April 10th. And I'm signed up. I'm looking to link with a boater to get, you know, officially in the tournament, but I'm going to fish them all. It's something new. I don't have to do pre-fishing. I just show up, see what happens, and learn. So it's been really cool. So thanks for watching, guys.